Hello friends, welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Today let's check out how to make raw mango chutney. This is a very spicy and delicious side dish. The best goes with idlis and dosas. Very quick and an instant recipe. So let's quickly check out the ingredients and get started. Heat a pan and to this add 2 teaspoons of oil. When the oil is hot, add half teaspoon of mustard seeds, half teaspoon of urud dal, half teaspoon of chana dal, few curry leaves, 2 garlic pods, 10 shallots and 3 green chilies. Saute well for a minute until the shallots are transparent. Then to this add 1 cup of chopped raw mango. Saute well for 2 minutes. Now the mango is well done, so off the flame and add few coriander leaves and give it a quick mix. Let this cool completely. It's been 5 minutes now and the ingredients are well cooled. Transfer this to a mixer jar. To this add 1/4 teaspoon of salt and 2 tablespoons of water. Grind this to a very fine paste. Now transfer the ground paste to a bowl like this. Season the raw mango chutney with some mustard seeds and curry leaves. Now our delicious raw mango chutney is ready. Serve it nice and hot with some idlis and dosas and enjoy with your family and friends. Very easy, delicious and a quick recipe. So do try this raw mango chutney recipe at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. Hope you like this video, so please do like, share, comment and subscribe to Pink's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. If you wish to check out our recipes in Tamil, you can visit Pink's Kitchen Tamil channel. I'll be giving the channel link in the description box. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends.